The default getaway is not available error can affect individual apps or happen to your entire computer. So, in this video, we will go through all the possible solutions to help you fix it. First up, run the network adapter troubleshooter by opening Settings. Go to System, scroll down to Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters, scroll down, and click on the Run option for the network adapter. Now the troubleshooter will scan for the system for issues. Then, you have to select the affected network adapter if prompted, then click Next. Next, reset the TCP/IP stack. Do it by opening Command Prompt as an admin. Type in the following command in a given order, one by one, then press Enter to execute. Now if all of these commands are executed successfully, restart your PC and check for any improvements. Another way to fix this error is to disable and re-enable your network adapter. To do it, open Control Panel, open Network and Internet option, click on Network and Sharing Center, right-click on your network adapter, then select Disable. Once disabled, right-click on the grayed out network adapter, then choose Enable. And those are the following fixes on the default getaway not available error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.